First DIY project of spring semester 2021. In this, I have made an iPhone cover using FreeCAD and Cura software. So you can see that first of all we have made a square vectors. Then we have made some cutouts in this basic geometrical piece. Then you can see we have unified some extra cutouts, cuboidal shapes, to create this final figure of box form. This is our basic general form we will be using for our further creation and usage. So you can see this is a final mesh figure which have been formed from export button. That is the Boolean operator which have been used to create that side effect. Then the fillet operator has been used to round off the sharp edges. You can see all the edges have been rounded off, and there is a hole, and that all the proper marking has been used. You can see the dimensions also. So this is the Cura app, where on the right hand side you can see the time taken. On the left side, earlier you saw the percentage scale. Now here are the basic, how you can see the preview how it will be made. If we had been in the DIY lab, we would have seen it being made like this. So that is all. And this is finally how the iPhone cover would look. Thank you everyone. This project was presented by Vaibhav Maheshwari, roll number 20 HS 20055 from section 18 group 2.